finna head to the hardware store to buy some all-purpose spray para sa water stain. Kasi papacar wash ako after nun. And as you know, lagi kasi nalalagyan sa may side mirror ng ano eh. Lagi may tulo. That should solve it. Kasi last time, nung nagpakapit ako kay RA nung steering wheel, if you remember, pinunasan niya ng all-purpose spray. So, let's see if it works. If not, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Bibili ko na lang siguro, if itong mabibili ko is di gumana, di bibili ko na lang kung ano yung product niya mismo. I just love good people, man. Yeah, I just love good people. Ayun, handyman pala. I forgot the name. But let's park. Freaking hot, twin. Yeah, let's buy this all-purpose cream and solve our problems, you know? Bye. Alright. Where's that though? Ito testingin natin. Oh, sir. Ayun o. Papacar wash kasi ulit ako eh. Malalagyan for sure. Di na tatanggal sa simpleng tubig eh.
Stain to?
Stain, yeah.
Oo.
Ay, hindi nawawala, no?
Ano to, gamitan nyo to ng bag winter remover, pre.
Meron ba kayo doon?
Meron kami doon.
Pwede rin i-try?
Ito may yung fresh.
Try namin ibang products. Yan yung all-purpose.
Dito siya nanggagaling sa side mirror.
Oo nga po eh. Wala. Tama ba ang towel? What's up?
Wala, hindi rin nagagano doon.
Pati yung atong green? Gana. Ay, matanggal. This is cooked. Lalo ba sa FD talaga? May tulo dito. Although nawala konti, pero di fully matanggal eh. Tinatawagan ko si RA, hindi nasagot eh. Kasi yung ginamit namin last time, natanggal siya. So I don't know what to use, bruh. But let's go. Hot! Freaking hot. Pwede ni Kuya, no? Pina-testing niya yung product kahit di pa bumili. Like I said, I love good people sometimes. Needs a car wash. Tapos, diretso na ako dun. I'm also posting new video tonight. Yes, sir. Ito yung may namit tayong subscriber. Crazy. Speaking of, go ahead and subscribe. 719. Road to 800. Tas 900. Tas 1K. Onti na lang. Actually, may sinuggest pa siyang isang product pa na meron na ako sa bahay. Try ko pa pick upin. Kaya pick upin ko na lang muna. Basta try ko. Got the stuff. Goofy eh. Pero mamaya ako na ita-try kasi papacar wash na ako eh. And for sure, magkakaroon ulit ng stain yan. So, ayan na lang. Pagdating kalalanim. Or, I don't know. Basta mamaya. Testingin ko pala today yung kung may misfire pa din. Kasi pinalitan na ng ano eh, ignition coil connector yan. Actually, hindi ako nagpagawa. Yes, sir. But let's see. So far, wala pa naman eh. Wala pang misfire ulit. So hopefully that's fixed. Kasi okay naman daw yung spark plugs. Dito ako full check naman daw. So I don't know. Hopefully it's fixed. Oh! Sheesh! Alright. Car wash done. Finna head there. Pero kakapit ko muna yung mic para to test out the new setup. Lalagay ko ulit dun sa may plate holder. I mean sa mismong plaka. The magnet. So let's see how it goes. Binabaan ko na yung gain eh. So it should be good. Tagtipid, sir. Can't caught up in this situation. The caught up crisis. Tama, pati yung ambulance, pinapagalan na rin kahit may sakay na emergency eh. Sabi niya dun sa pasyente, huwag ka muna mamatay, wait lang.
Take the exit.
Up until now, wala pa rin misfire. But we out. As you can see, we got the Mercedes-Benz right here. The sun hitting eh. Wala namang masyadong major problem pa naman si FD. Kasi yung mga major niya before, nung una ko nakuha to, ang problem niya yung filter. Kaya kung babalikan mo yung first video, maugong siya. In my opinion, still pa rin siya. The fact na nakalist siya as 380,000. Tapos tinawaran ko sa chat ng 355,000. Tapos nung sinulat na niya yung price sa resibo, nakalagay 330,000. Pabawas ng pabawas ay from 380,000 naging 330. Shout out to my seller. Appreciate you for the 50k free ski. Dito na naman tayo, sir. At least hindi weekend. Masaya na ako dun. Paunti yung kotse rin sa labas eh, no? Right, we're here. Ito lang din sa may, saan ba yun? Franchise. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Been craving this shit for a while now. Kaya kain lang kami. Tapos probably tambay somewhere sa may mga cafe. Kahit di naman kami nagka-cafe. Tama, nagpagas ako 3,300. Full tank, diba? Last vlog. Tapos ngayon, ganyan na ulit. Sheesh. So basically, I spent 1.5k almost. I mean, around that price. Para lang umuwi, tapos pumuntang sukat, tapos pumunta here. De, pero kanina kasi nag-sport mode. So, let's hop out the V. She watching the vlog. Go watch that vlog right now. Baby. Let's go. Franchise. Yes, sir. Ganda kumain, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see, sir. Where my whip, bro? Yes, sir. Cold start. Nabahan ako wala yung susi, oh.
Oo, sabit mo. Sabit mo lagi.
Napansin yung kuya ko pala kanina tuwing naliko. May natunog. What could that be again? Another problem? Oh hell na. Oo nga, no? Babala ka bumili ng chair diyan sa Decalton. Pero do I really need it though? Baka titignan ko lang yung price kasi mura lang daw. But di ko naman need. So let's see. Ayun o, ganyan. Ano price daw. Pero parang ganyan. Tsaka may cup holder. Shoo. Sabi mo, B, akala mo yung kotse ko yun? Vios? Sheesh. Vios lang pala yung FD ko eh. Got roasted by my GF, bro. Ngayon baka baba yun. Ngayon baka pogi yun. Nah, don't say that. Don't do that to me. Don't do this to my FD boy. Yeah, we ended up just getting groceries. Not quite sure saan kami next. Ako pa palang thumbnail. Boys, time to go. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Bombo clot. Last good look before we leave. Wopa. Wala nang misfire, sir. I miss them misfire though. No, I don't miss that. If that misfire, bro. I don't miss the misfire. Yeah, it's all good na. Ignition coils connector lang yung pinalitan. Panira yung truck na yun ah. KJ! Boys, I'm end the vlog here. Pero kanina sumayad ako sa may ano eh. Sa sobrang taas na parang ganyan pero mas elevated. Pero buti na lang plastic. Wala na, chip na siya. Chap lips, boy. Oh, sheesh. Ay, ito nga yun. Bro, it's cooked. Kailangan ko na ito ipa-paint. No freaking way. Full grade out na yung ano, buong baba. Ain't no way, man. I need this painted ASAP. Ang lala na. Yeah, these lips are cooked. Pero at least yung misfire wala na daw. Cool. Back to normal. So if you enjoyed that one, go ahead, subscribe, leave a like. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let's go.
Oh, I got what you need and I keep telling baby get with there outside. Do what it is, I'm a god of this, but the end of the reason. But I kill the things that were bad to me, but I do what's been alright. Meet me outside the club, 1,000 fuck shit up.